buckwheat honey, by the way, it actually has the highest antioxidant count and more powerful antimicrobial effects versus any other kind of honey, including manuka. And so everyone's like buying these super expensive manukas, and it's like, you can just get it from buckwheat. But anyways, so this study comes out and it's comparing buckwheat honey to dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan is the active ingredient in most over-the-counter cough syrup. So, you know, whatever brand cough syrup you're buying at the drugstore, it's probably got dextro in it. And there was a study, and it was looking at buckwheat honey versus dextromethorphan in upper pediatric respiratory infections, so kids with respiratory infections. And it found that buckwheat honey was just as effective. And now we're learning that it's even more effective. And so when that came out, I was like, why on earth would you give a kid dextro, let alone an adult?